friends, in today's video we would be discussing how to cover your syllabus in 30 days before exams. The top 9 study tips. Friends, the exam season is here and the pressure is on. Are you feeling stressed out with all the material which you need to cover before your exams? Well, don't worry. Today we will be sharing with you the top 9 study tips and tricks to cover your syllabus in 30 days before exams. So friends, let us proceed ahead and enjoy this video. Friends, the key to covering your syllabus in 1 month is organization and time management. First of all, take a look at your syllabus and break it down into manageable chunks. Then create a schedule that prioritizes the most important material. Friends, it's important to stick to your schedule as closely as possible, but don't be too hard on yourself in case you fall behind. Just make sure to catch up as soon as possible. Friends, the third tip is use all available resources. Take help from your classmates and teachers if required. Also, do check out the library as well as the internet for required information and clarifications. Friends, the next step is utilize flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to memorize information quickly. You can make your own flashcards or you can use online flashcard tools. Friends, the fifth tip is take practice tests. Practice tests are a great way to identify any areas where you need more study. Try to take practice tests as close to the real thing as possible in terms of format and timing. Friends, the next step is try different study methods. Everyone learns differently, so it's important to find the study method that works best for you. Some people prefer to read and reread their notes, while others prefer to watch videos or listen to lectures. Friends, the seventh tip is practice active recall. Instead of passively reading your notes, try to actively recall the information by teaching it to someone else or by testing yourself. Friends, the eighth tip is get enough sleep. Make sure that you are getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. This will help you to wake up refreshed and ready for the next day. And friends, the ninth tip is take good care of yourself. It's important to take care of your physical and mental health during this time. Make sure that you are eating well, getting enough exercise, and taking breaks when you need to. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed this small video on how to cover your syllabus in 30 days before exams, the top 9 study tips. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. And do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.